The purpose of this module is to enable you to understand databases and a popular database management application, Access 2016. This module covers the following topics. What is a database? Database management system. Introducing Access 2016. Creating a database. Setting data types. Modifying table design. Opening an existing database. Totaling, sorting, filtering, and searching data. Every organization has to maintain data related to its business, its employees, and so on. For example, a school maintains data on their students' personal details, their academic and co-curricular achievements, and on the details of their teachers and administrative staff. This data needs to be available to a user easily and promptly. Also, this data needs to be updated regularly. Therefore, it is preferable to organize the data. A database is used for this purpose. Databases arrange information in such a way that any specific piece of information can be easily accessed. A good database removes duplicate or unnecessary data, reduces the size of the data, increases the efficiency of the user, and also helps in maintaining the accuracy of data. Elements of a database. There are 4 different types of databases. 1. Hierarchical. 2. Network. 3. Relational. And 4. Object-oriented. Of these, the relational database model is the most popular. This database stores data in the form of tables. A table organizes data into rows called records and columns called fields. Records and fields together make a table. Each record defines information about one entity and gives complete details about it. Each field defines information of a certain type for all records. Tables, fields, and records form the elements of a relational database. Database Management System. Database management involves creating, modifying, deleting, and adding data in a database. The software that performs these functions is called a database management system. Access, MySQL, and Oracle are some popular DBMS software. Functions of a DBMS. When a large amount of data is stored in various files, there is a possibility of issues such as data redundancy, data inconsistency, and data inaccuracy. A DBMS provides an easy solution to all these problems as it allows centralized control over data. A DBMS provides the following benefits: reduces data redundancy, controls data inconsistency, facilitates sharing of data, enforces standards, ensures data security, maintains integrity. Let us look at the benefits in detail. Reduces data redundancy. Data redundancy means duplication of data. Redundant data may be data that is repeated in another table or can be calculated so it does not have to be stored. For example, a table may have a date of birth and age. The age can be calculated by subtracting the date of birth from today's date. Redundant data increases the database file size. Using a DBMS, the data can be stored at a single place in the database, thereby reducing or eliminating data duplication. Controls data inconsistency. Suppose addresses of students of a school are stored in two files, bus information and fees information. A student informs the bus in charge about a change in his or her address. Now the new address will be reflected in the bus information file, but the same change may not be made in the fees information file. Hence, the two files would have two different addresses for the same student. This will not happen in a properly maintained database. Facilitates sharing of data. Different users can use the same database to extract data depending on their individual needs. Enforces standards. A DBMS makes it possible to apply certain standards in data representation. These standards could be an organization's own standards or national or international standards. Ensures data security. In a DBMS, the database administrator has complete control over the database and ensures that the data is accessible only to authorized people. Different categories of users can be given different permissions. Some may have the authority to only view the data, while others may have the authority to modify the data too. Maintains integrity. A DBMS supports database integrity. Suppose a database contains information about the marks scored by the students in an examination. If the maximum marks are 100, you can have rules to make sure that the database accepts numbers only in the range of 0 to 100.